Are you looking for the perfect way to make money through cryptocurrency? You don't need much. Let's take a look at the 5 ways you can achieve this. 1. Buy and hold, HODL. This has become one of the mantras of many cryptocurrency enthusiasts. You can just hold on to your cryptocurrency even during bear markets. Select a cryptocurrency to purchase when the value is down, hold on, and then sell when it becomes a desirable value. 2. Play to earn games. You must have heard of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, before. If you have, then you've probably heard of blockchain games. These games allow users to make money just by playing, and they reward their players with tokens they can sell on the public market. 3. Loan your cryptocurrency. Another perfect way to make money on crypto is by loaning it. This is similar to how people can loan funds with a specific interest rate. The platform you select dictates which cryptocurrency can be loaned or used as collateral. You can expect interest rates to fall under either floating interest or fixed rates. A floating interest rate varies depending on market movement, while fixed interest describes a steady rate charged on the amount loaned. 4. Buy and sell. Most traders make money with cryptocurrency by trading digital assets. The idea is simple. You just buy cryptocurrencies at a low price and then sell them after a short period. Alternatively, you can also use cryptocurrency trading bots that will help automate your trading if you feel you can't dedicate your time to buying and selling full-time. These bots regularly monitor the market and can be programmed to buy or sell them once it meets a set parameter. Liquid staking. This is another way to make money in cryptocurrency. Ankar, a Web3 infrastructure firm, invented liquid staking. It allows users to gain interest from their staked tokens, but they are not locked up. This is done through a derivative token. Liquid staking gives room for profit maximization that stirs the interest of risk-tolerant entrepreneurs. And that's it for today. See you in the next video.